not about ideas, but about making ideas work. We at IMT Nagpur encourage the spirit of entrepreneurship and also believe in fostering a startup-friendly environment. Welcome to the first episode of Student Entrepreneurs of IMT Nagpur. Today we have among us Mr. Aman Sharma, who's an entrepreneur and also a first-year PGDM marketing student at the institute. Hello, Aman.
Hi, Shreya.
So, Aman, tell us about your venture. What is it about?
So my venture is called Bangarchal. It's basically a waste management startup which facilitates the doorstep service for collecting the recyclable waste from our customers.
So, Aman, what is it that propelled you to start your business?
Back in my engineering days,
Yeah.
I always believe in a concept of APS,
Okay.
where A stands for actions. I always believe in actions because I believe actions only bring out the results.
Yeah.
Where P stands for passion. I always had a passion to start something of my own.
Yeah.
And where S, the most crucial one, S stands for social need.
Alright.
India basically generate around 62 million tons of solid waste every year.
That's alarming.
Yeah, and out of which only 23% gets recycled.
So, what happens to the remaining?
The rest ends up in the landfills.
Okay. So, Aman, the journey of an entrepreneur is not the easiest. There are challenges and there are also opportunities. So, how has your journey been so far as an entrepreneur?
So I started my venture in 2015, and the whole story begins with a newspaper. Like one day I was reading an article in a newspaper about the waste management habits of Indian. And the article states that Indian adults are least bothered about their waste management habits. So I searched for the reason. So then I found out that Indian adults are finding it's very difficult to change their waste management habits because they are following it since a long time.
Yeah.
So then I thought, why not to start with children? So like CSR, as a corporate social responsibility, I started a group with the name SSR, like Student Social Responsibility. So where we organized a small workshop for school-going children, and we taught when we taught them about the waste management habits through different activities.
Okay.
So this whole concept landed me to my venture, Bangarchal.
IMT Nagpur help you hone your entrepreneurial skills and the learnings that you get from here. How do you apply those to your venture?
So I think IMT provides me a conducive environment to sustain my passion for entrepreneurship. The student-driven campus, which I believe has a library of learning, where you get plenty of opportunity to learn a new thing from each and every student. So, and the pedagogy which IMT follows always also motivates me to learn different aspects of business and entrepreneurial world.
So, Aman, before joining this institute, you were already pursuing your venture.
Yeah.
So, what is it that convinced you to do an MBA?
So I always wanted to explore more about the different industries and their professional work culture. So, which I believe MBA is the only platform which can give exposure to me or to all these industries. So, and I must say that once an entrepreneur is always an entrepreneur,
Yeah.
irrespective of place where you are. So, like one example I will give you that when I joined the college, I started a small group with some of my friends with the name Out of Syllabus. In short, we call it SO2. So SO2 is basically a peer learning platform where you get a chance to learn different soft skill and like presentation skills. These all you are learning on daily basis. So this imparts you an extra knowledge apart from your syllabus. So this is basically one of my initiatives.
That's quite insightful.
Yeah.
We did not know about that, and I'm sure that a lot of people will benefit from this.
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you so much for your time, Aman. It was a pleasure having you with us.
Thanks.
So here we had Aman Sharma with us, who told us all about his student venture and how once an entrepreneur is always an entrepreneur. Thank you so much for being with us, and stay tuned for more such videos on student entrepreneurs at IMT Nagpur.